Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, and let's explore. For today, we are going to be exploring a 5-minute high energy workout. Set up your area, get the water close to you, and let's explore. Alright, let's get it going. Let's go.
Everybody, can you feel the groove?
Clap that hand.
Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh,
Keep it going.
everybody, can you feel the groove?
Come on.
Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh,
This is high energy. You gotta bring the energy right here.
grab somebody. Everybody,
Alright, clap that hand. Come on. Let's go. Move that leg. Let's go. Pass. 2 pass. Let's go. Clap. Squeeze that back. Come on, keep it going. Don't stop. Squeeze it back. Lean forward now.
You got me feeling, you got me feeling alright. Whenever
Alright.
I'm around you, baby, you make me feel so alive.
Let's go. Back and step. Lean forward now. Pull it back. Squeeze that back. Keep it down, keep it down. Let's go. 2 pass.
can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh,
Come on.
everybody, can you feel the groove?
You make me
Come on.
feel
2
so
pass. Lean forward. Come on. All right. Take a break. Take a drink of water break. That's halfway. Halfway. You guys ready? All right. Let's go. We're going to start with the up. Let's go. Just wait for the music.
It won't go
All right.
away.
Come on.
That feeling rushing through my body. I know
All right, let's go.
it is here to stay. It's like
Just pause.
personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if
2
you
pass.
treat me right, I will be the best girl in
Now lean
this
forward.
world. No, I'm
Let's go.
not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body, so
Let's go.
tell me what you want me to do.
Pull it back.
I can be good or be naughty, because
Keep pulling it back. Let's go.
love you like I do, like
Faster now. Let's go. Pass. Pull it back. 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 Come on, let's go. You guys should be on fire now. Let's keep it going. Almost there, almost there. slow it down.
You don't have to say a word, so just let go and don't hold back. I've got you, welcome you into my
Alright, let's.
world.
Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next video.
Just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I've got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I